Hello there, Year 6. So today we are going to look at the nearest 10, 100 and 1,000. Now you're probably thinking we've already looked at this, but we are just going to focus on these three today, but we're going to solve word problems with rounding. We're not looking at just your numbers, we are looking at word problems. I feel like we've not done that enough. So today we are going to focus on the nearest 10 word problems, nearest 100 and nearest 1,000 word problems with rounding. So here is an example. So it says, solve the following word problems, or problem in this case, rounding the answer as instructed. So number one, a supermarket sells 187 cartons of yogurt a week. How many cartons is this to the nearest 10 and 100? So if I just write this down, just get that a little smaller. So we have 187. Really focus on the numbers. Don't let the words throw you off. It is literally asking you to look at that number, round it to the nearest 10 and round it to the nearest 100. So we have 187, rounding it to the nearest 10. So we have to make sure we look at the units column, which is a 7, which is 5 and above. So it would be 190. That would be to the nearest 10. However, 187 to the nearest 100, we have to focus on the tens column, which is 8, which is a high number, 80. So you wouldn't round it down to 100, you would round it up to 200. It's literally asking you that, but it is in a word problem format. That is what I want you to do today. So recapping 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1,000. Here are your questions. So the first one we just did together, so you can include that into your answer, and then you have another 5 questions to complete. Some of you asks you to round it to all 3. Some of the questions ask you to do to a couple. So read them through. Make sure you read them carefully, and I want you to include your answers as per usual on the class portfolio online. Good luck, and I shall speak to you soon. Goodbye.